But
What a beautiful day for a great adventure on your very own island of Sodor. Come and play exciting mini-games with me and my friends in an awesome train set that magically comes to life. Collect cool toys to build and customize your very own train set. Ready to roll out? We are! What a beautiful day on your very own island of Sodor train set. My friends and I are very excited that you're here to play with us. Let's ride the rails, explore the island and see what we can discover. Thomas promised to help Gordon with a very important job. Help me get to Knapford Station to find out what it is. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching... That's the way! Super awesome! Great! Thanks a lot for your help! Let's go find that toy! Good job! Just slice or tap it to open. What type of wagon should we help pull? Super! Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Good job! We all love your train set! Time to pick a new toy! It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Where to now? Left leads to Tidmouth Shed. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. Excellent! Just spin the wheel to rotate the track. Super! That's perfect! We all love your train set. Choose a new toy. Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Left leads to... Next stop, Cannonball Curve. What type of wagon should we help pull? Awesome! Excellent! Amazing! Where to now? Left, we're almost at the town square. Left leads to the haunted castle. Left leads to McCall. Right leads to the tunnel is nearby. Right leads to... Where to now? Forward lead... Left leads to the boulder... Rusted bolts! The tunnel has collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? Excellent! Cool! Drag the broken pieces back into their spot on the bridge. Drag the broken pieces back into their spot. That's the way! We all love your train set! Which toy will you choose now? Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Which way do you want to go? Right leads to... Forward leads to... We're almost at the town square. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Where to now? Forward leads to Cannonball... Left leads to McCall. The McCall farm is coming up. Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. Help by dragging them back into their pen. That's the way. That was off the rails. Which toy will you choose now? Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Just slide or tap it to open. Oh no! It looks like something is blocking the tracks. Can you move it out of the way? Great! Look, that boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Well done! We all love your train set. Which toy will you choose now? It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Where to now? Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. Well done! That's the way! Super! Ha! We're always happy to help. Time to pick a new toy. Let's go find that toy. Which way do you want to go? Left leads to... Help Cranky unload the special deliveries onto the boat. Wind the crank to lift and lower the deliveries. That's perfect! That's the way! Well done! Ha! We're always happy to help. Choose a new toy. It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Which way do you want to go? Forward leads to... Left leads to... The Sodors. The steamworks are just ahead. Time for a refreshing wash at the steamworks. Touch the mud to wash it off. Be sure to clean it all. We all love your train set. Which toy will you choose now? Let's go find that toy. Where to? Forward leads to... Help Cranky unload the special deliveries onto the boat.